It's the end of the week and we have gotten a lot done, but now it's time to recharge and reset for a new week. A reset routine is essential to maximize our weeks, improve our focus, and feel our best. So in today's video, I'll show you my step-by-step guide on how to create your own weekly reset routine. It's good to incorporate some light movement on a reset routine. Nothing too strong since today's a day to reset. This is especially important if you weren't able to exercise as much as you wanted to. That way you get the ball rolling before the week starts. A short walk, a quick 5 to 10 minute YouTube workout video, or some light stretching, it's enough. Next, we're gonna clean and organize our space. Deep clean your space, go through drawers, any areas that have gotten a little bit messy during the week, and give them a little bit of a refresh. Change your bed sheets, or at least change your pillowcases. Do a load of laundry, clean your makeup brushes, change your towels. This will reset your space and help you clear your mind. That way you have a new and refreshed space to enjoy during the week. Now comes the best part, the weekly maintenance routine. This is the time to refresh our look and feel like a new person. I like to take an everything shower or a bath. We're gonna deep wash our hair, do a hair mask, face mask, exfoliate from head to toe, shave if you like to shave, do a manicure, pedicure, and do our hair. Honestly, there's no feeling quite like it. It's like washing off all the energy from the previous week. Now we're gonna do stuff for our future self to facilitate our week. Things like replenishing your supplements container to have them ready for the week, doing a little bit of a weekly grocery trip to get your favorite healthy foods and favorite healthy snacks. Also meal prepping some of your favorite recipes. I like to prep some chia seed pudding and tofu scrambled. It's also a good time to replenish any products that you might need, like skincare, makeup, lenses, or any daily use things. Something new that I'm incorporating into my weekly reset routine is preparing my outfits for the week. This way I know what I'm gonna be wearing, and also lets me be a little bit more creative with my outfits since I'm giving myself a little bit more time to choose the pieces I'm gonna be wearing and actively choose pieces that I don't use as often, but I would like to wear more. And I like to wear nice jewelry on the daily, and my favorites is definitely Luisa because they elevate any outfit and they always make me feel and look so put together and elegant. I'm preparing at least 3 outfits for the week, and I'm gonna be pairing them with my Luisa jewelry. I got 2 new pieces, including a beautiful bracelet that I'm already obsessed with and I've been using every single day. I had to get some Luisa pieces for my mom and sister, and they absolutely love them as much as I do. If you're looking to get some new jewelry for yourself or a loved one, I'm gonna be having the link to Luisa in the description of this video so you can go and check them out. I also like to clean my devices to remove any dust and fingerprints, and I really like doing this because it makes them feel brand new. And I like to keep up with deleting files from my devices, that way I don't run out of storage when I want to take pictures or videos. It's a good idea to end the week with a journaling session to go over how the week went and see what's working and what we can improve on. After a much needed journaling, I'm gonna be planning my week. The way I like to do it is super simple. I like to make a master to-do list for all the things that I want to get done or that I need to get done. And each day I get to choose what I want to do. Sometimes I will plan out my week a little bit more structured. If a task has a deadline or I can't do the task on any day of the week, just find what works for you. But this step is super important to avoid feeling lost or scattered brain. You know when you feel like you have stuff to do but you don't know what it is that you need to do, so you just decide to scroll on your phone. So this is essential to keep ourselves on track and helps us start the week with focus. I like to make sure that I'm getting done something I've been wanting to do for a while. It can be big or small, just one of those things that you keep thinking about doing but never take the time to do them. For example, fixing something small or changing the batteries on your remote, or like washing your car or painting a wall. Those are just examples, but there are many small tasks that for some reason we just procrastinate even if they only take like 2 minutes to complete. Also do something fun that you like your hobbies that maybe you didn't get time to do during the week. For me, it's things like cosplaying, going on nature trails or the library, baking or sewing, doing watercolors, and playing video games. Taking time to do these things makes sure that you feel like you're actually living your life and you're not just living to work or living to do the things that you have to do. You're actively taking time to do the things that you want to do and enjoy your life, and this will create more balance and make you feel more fulfilled in your days. So these are all my steps on how I do my weekly reset routine. I hope you found this video helpful or that it gave you some motivation and inspiration. Thank you all so much for being here with me. Stay tuned for new content this year, and I'll see you on the next video.